Do you know that some of these doors you buy in Nigerian market as foreign doors are actually being manufactured here in Nigeria? Hello guys, welcome back to another one. This is Urbanized Media. So today I ran into an engineer. What they do here is door manufacturing. They manufacture luxurious doors of different kinds. These are the quality of doors that people buy in the market as foreign doors, as imported doors. These doors even have better quality than the imported ones of its kind. And guess what? It is far more affordable. You can see their workshop. So I'm going to take you around their small space. Their small space where they do this magic. You can't believe it. You will be shocked by what you're going to see here. Just stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. And remember, this workshop is located in Nnewi Anambra State, Nigeria. You all know that Nnewi is the Japan of Africa, a hub of technology. So seeing this one is no surprise. So I will take you around to see what these guys are doing here. And then, if you need any of these doors, you call their number, you contact them, and get yours. So you can see the process of producing the door. At this stage now, it's looking like one local stuff, but after the whole transformation, the finishing, everything, it will now turn into the door I showed you guys earlier outside. So these guys are so talented. They are so good at what they do, and I am beginning to see that Nigerians are improving in their craft, especially when it comes to finishing work. Because one issue with Nigerian engineers is finishing work, but these guys, they are top notch. Their finishing work is top notch, and I will give it to them 100%. 100%, I will give it to them.
Dạ.